Hi friends, Suzanne here with the newest installment of the mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019, and now we've completed our third event. Even with all the restrictions and safety rules we had to follow, this event was a huge success. My friend and fellow demonstrator Terry from Card Designs by Terry helped me once again, where we split the work and brought together local crafters from around BC for this super popular catered first class event. If you're interested in attending the next Lake House event in June, please fill out the form on my blog, sunstampin.com, or in the description of this video. In the mini-series, I am sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some supplies are from the January to February celebration catalog, so if you're trying to recreate, you may have to substitute. Hey everybody, welcome to card number 4 that's featuring the Rainbow of Happiness bundle. Terry designed this lovely card using the rainbow bundle, and there's so much going on here. We have some inks, and we have the mini cut and emboss machine, and we have a whole bunch of papers. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start to die cut. So I have a little piece of basic white card here. I'm going to stick it in the mini cut and emboss machine. We found that when we were using the mini cut and emboss machines for the event, it was we just said don't overload it. Like, make sure that, you don't have like 17 different dies in your mini cut and emboss machine, because it's like a baby. It only does little bits of work. But the nice thing is it's perfect for this kind of thing where you just have a few little simple elements on your card. So the circle die is obviously from the layering circle dies. And then the clouds were from the Rainbow of Happiness bundle. So we're going to start off with making the rainbow here, and that is Bermuda Bay, stamping it towards the top of that basic white card. Next is Magenta Madness, and sometimes I take the stamp pad to the stamp, and sometimes I take the stamp to the ink pad. It depends on the size of the stamp and what I need to actually get covered. So hopefully that little trick helps you out a little bit. The next color was Mango Melody, and the fourth color was Granny Apple Green. Now, one of the celebration items that you could get free was the Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series paper, and we utilized that here in this card, or Terry did, I should say. Terry designed this one, and it's a lovely, happy, card, and she's a lovely, happy person. Not like me, I'm miserable. I'm the grump. I'm just joking, I'm not grumpy. Okay, so here is the Magenta Madness card, like a mat, and this was a neat little technique. This little strip of paper goes along end to end, and for whatever reason it really broke that up, and it looks fantastic. I don't ever do that, so thanks Terry for a great little design there. And the sentiment says a little something to brighten your day. So it could be come along with a gift or just a lovely little card. All right, I ended up putting dimensional adhesive on the back of the clouds and the sentiment, and then all we have to do is pop this matted piece to the card base. And again, I want to remind you that all the supplies I used today are listed below in the video See More section, or in the supplies section on my blog, and there's lots more pictures on my blog too. So those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.